In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the kettlebell lateral lunge. Now, firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up the kettlebell with a nice straight back and place your hands on the side handles, the horns of the kettlebell. So you can see side on, my elbows are into my ribs, I'm locking them in and I'm bringing that kettlebell as close to my chest as possible. I start off with my feet at hip width apart and I'm going to take a side step with one leg. Notice how when I've done that, I've brought the foot slightly out so it's not completely straight. Once in that position, I'm then going to sit back towards that right leg. So you can see that from the side. So I'm bringing one leg out. I want the feet in line with each other. I'm going to sit back down into that side and come back up. So one more time, foot comes out, then I'm going to sit back into that side and push through the heel back up to my start position. Again, from a front on position, foot comes out, bum comes back towards the back of the room and towards the side that's come out, and then you return back to your start position. That is how you do a kettlebell lateral lunge. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.